Homework 26, looking at forces and motion. Now, if we look at question 1, we've got a particle with a mass of 2 kilograms, and it's got its velocity at time t equals 0 and a velocity at time t equals 4. Now, part A is looking for the acceleration of the particle in terms of I and j. Well, we've got v0 equals 3I plus 2j. And v at 4 seconds equals 15I minus 4j. Okay, acceleration is change in velocity over time. So if we treat the I and the j components individually, acceleration is going to equal change in I, which is 15 minus 3. And that's in 4 seconds. And then the change in j is going to be minus 4 minus 2. So minus 4 minus 2 all over 4j. And so we can tidy all that up. And that gives me 3I minus 2 over, minus 3 over 2j. So that's the acceleration there. Okay, for part B, we're being asked to find the magnitude of the force, and for that we're going to use the equation F equals ma. Now we want to find out force. We know the mass, m equals 2, and we know acceleration because we've just worked that out, 3I minus 3 over 2j. So force, which is a vector still, equals 2 3I minus 3 over 2j, which is 6I minus 3j. Now a question wants the magnitude of the force, so in that case we're going to use Pythagoras. Magnitude of the force equals, and it's the square root of the square of the x and y components. So 6 squared, and although it's negative when you square it up it becomes positive, plus 3 squared, which is root 45 newtons. Now it doesn't say in terms of, that's an exact answer, it's approximately equal to 6.71 newtons, and either of those would be acceptable. Okay, the next bit is the velocity of p at time, this is part C, is the velocity, oops, 6.7. Okay, so for part C, we're looking for the velocity at time t equals 6. Well, v6 is going to be its initial velocity, which is 3i plus 2j. And then that is going to add to that, you're going to add the acceleration times however many seconds, and in this case it's 6. So it's going to be 6, and the acceleration we've worked out, 3I minus 3 over 2j. And all we're going to do there, 3I plus 2j plus 18I and minus 9j. So that's expanded out the actual acceleration component. And so adding those together now, velocity at 6 seconds is going to be 21I minus 7j.